Hello everyone, today we're gonna draw a fox. So first we start with the head. And you do a zigzag on the hair. You draw other zigzag. And then when you're done that, you do the whiskers. 3 whiskers in each side. Now we're going to draw the nose. And then draw the mouth. When you're done, you maybe want to draw the eyes. And then color it in. You draw the ears. Start by the left and then to the right. Okay, and then you draw a zigzag in the middle of the ear, and then you do the left side. Color the cheeks. And then now we're going to draw the body. So first we do the hands. And then draw the other hand. Draw the feet. Now the tail. So orange, and you could color the body. You could color the tail. Okay, now we're going to use the brown and color the top of the tail. When you're done, you color on top of the ears. You see that? That's the same color, and you color on top of the ears. And then you use the orange and color the body. And when you're done that, you could color the ears. And you could also color inside the ears. Use pink to color inside the ears, and you could use orange and then to keep coloring the body. We color the head with orange, of course. Okay, keep coloring until you're done. You're almost there and you're almost done. Thank you for watching. Bye.